I feel like Rick Ross right here. I feel like Rick Ross right here. Yeah. That transformation was crazy. This is the trimmer and the clipper from Self Cut System. I am going with the grain up, no guard. And now I have the one guard on there and I'm going up, creating my second guideline, and I'm going with the grain here so that you guys can create that perfect blend. And you want to open and close the lever as you get closer to the skin. You know, when the lever is closed, you get closer. When it's open, is less hair cutting. So that's how you create your fade. And now I'm gonna go on to doing my shape up. And you have the cut buddy, create that little outline with a chalk pencil. And you're gonna use your finishers from Self Cut System to get those hairs cut down to the skin zero gap. Now you wanna use your razor blade and brush in those hair fibers. And you use the razor downwards with the grain and you create that beautiful crispy lineup. Don't be scared to use the edge of that razor blade so that you can get those corners nice and tight. Pick out that beard. Pick it out. Use some water if you have to. And use those trimmers to outline your beard. For me personally, I don't like to get too close with the finisher. Now we want to use the finisher to outline that front cheekbone of your beard to make it nice and massive. Use the edge of your trimmers to get those fine corners and hairs around your mustache, and you use that comb to brush and comb out that hair accordingly so that you can get all those straggling hairs. Yes, that's the finisher that I have in my hand right now from Self Cut System. That's a retro kit, cordless. Now what I'm using here is a beard straightener, and I'm using this because I want to see how long my beard is so that I can cut those ends and shape my beard how I want it to be shaped. So you will see here coming up, I'm picking it up, and then I'm gonna start using our clipper with the lever closed to cut those hairs and also shape up my beard exactly how I want to do it. And that is the Heaven Light that I'm using, Self Cut System. You can get it at selfcutsystem.com. Right there, I'm filling in my beard with the hair fibers, and I'm using the razor to just get that finished crispy line touch. All right, and you see how cool that beard is coming out, nice and full, just like Rick Ross. I feel like a boss. You already know what it is. And if you guys want to go over, head over to selfcutsystem.com. Make sure to go check it out. We have a sale on a couple things that you might want to check out. And make sure to leave us a review on what you think about our cordless clippers and trimmers. That's the Heaven Lights that I'm using. Beautiful thing, beautiful thing. I use it every day, man. My boss, I feel like a boss right now. I feel like a boss. Let's go. I'm spinning too, so I feel like a boss. Let's go. All right, and I'm hyping myself up, but I realized that I need to touch it up just a little bit with the hair fibers. And that's what I'm doing, just catching those little, you know, those light spots, because I'm going to a function later and I want to feel fresh and as crispy as possible. So I'm using the razor holder without the razor or trimmer, and that's it. I'm feeling like Rick Ross, the boss. Finally, you know, this haircut has been accomplished and completed and made easier with the Self Cut System. Guys, go to www.selfcutsystem.com and check us out.